to have this one-on-one section training with you. It might take up to a month, it might take up to
Yes,
one
sir.
week. Just like I'd want to be seeing good results. Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
that is why I decided to conduct this one-on-one section. Okay, so I
Thank you, sir.
also said something about um, the way I trade. Okay, I'm going to share you some of the logic of how I trade the market, especially binary
Yes, sir.
option. Okay,
Yes, sir.
the logic, the strategy. So if you can apply it in your trading, well, at least a day you can make up to $100 or more than that if you are if you
Yes, sir.
follow the instruction. Okay, if you study and follow the
Yes, sir.
instruction, you'll be able to make a good profit. So when we are talking about binary option is not like when you trade forex, you develop so many pattern that anytime this pattern occur, you always trade with it. Well, in binary, there are some time whenever you predict the market in binary option, you always have a winning trade. Okay, whenever you predict the market, you always have a winning trade. Sometimes the market will really go against your prediction, and sometimes in the same way you
Yes,
trade
sir.
on forex. Okay, so today I only want to discuss about the things
Yes, sir.
of binary option. Okay, I'm going to be starting from uh, the definition of binary. So when we are talking about binary, binary option, okay, they are just like a platform. When we are talking about binary is quite different from forex. Okay, binary option means
Yes, sir.
put very simply. So a trade where the outcome is a binary. The binary is usually when there is yes or no answer. Okay, yes, the market will go up, or no, the market is going down, or we go down. So that is what we call binary. Okay, mathematically, when we're talking about
Yes, sir.
binary is just like a number, one and zero. Then the option, this option pays a fixed amount if they win, known as in the money, ITM. So if you predict
Yes,
that
sir.
the market is going up, or you predict the market is going down, so you will able to make a profit in that your prediction. So, but the entire investment is lost. So, if binary trade losses, so in short, they are a form of fixed return in financial option. So, you can see
Yes,
when we
sir.
are talking about binary option, a trade where outcome is a binary. The trade where the outcome is binary, yes or no answer. Yes, the price will go up. No, the price will go down. That is why we say call, put. Okay, if you expect the price to go up, you call. Okay, in some other
Yes,
platform they
sir.
call it higher option. Some other platform they call it buy. Some other platform they call it call. Okay, if it is call option.
Sir.
Okay, you can see that most of my YouTube video on binary option I usually mention call option, put option. Well, it's
Yes,
something
sir.
I've learned from the beginning when I start trading. Okay, call is higher, put is lower. So that is what we mean by binary option. Now the next question is where a lot of people usually ask this question: is binary option trading safe? Some people ask this question, even say when they trade, and they cannot make any reasonable profits. They ask me this question: is binary option trading safe? Okay, or can we trade on the binary option? There are so many people that invest about $10,000, a big amount of money in binary option.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
the question is it safe for me to trade binary option, or is it safe for me to invest my money in binary option. Okay, on the whole, trading binary option is as safe as any other trade market.
Yes, sir.
Okay, the US Security and Exchange Commission approved binary option in 2008. So, and
Hmm.
traders worldwide consider this form of trading one of the safest on the market. But have it at the back of your mind that not all binary option are safe. Okay, not all binary option are safe.
Yes, sir.
So for you to find the binary option that are safe, well, you have to work on that on your own. Okay, because if I'm start to trade, if I'm trading on the IQ option as my own binary option platform, if I'm using IQ option all the time, it means that there's something I see in it that make me to use this platform often all the time. Okay, but in some cases, the IQ option might not be suitable for any other person. So you have to do um, your own, uh, your you have
Analysis.
to find out, is binary option safe for me to trade? Okay, a lot of people use Cortex, a lot of people use Olin Trade, a lot of people use Binomo. Okay, a lot of people use expert option
Yes,
because
sir.
they maybe the binary option is not suitable for them, but the IQ option is not suitable for them, so they have to test or find out some other binary option platform. Okay, now take for me example. All these binary option platform, I have used them. In fact, I have account with them. I have used Olim Trade, Expert Option, Cotex, what again? Um, Binomo.
IT option. Okay.
Okay, I've trade on this platform. Also,
Yes, sir.
IQ option. I've traded on this platform. Now the question is, why did I usually trade on IQ option? Well, I see that the way the platform is just like when you are trading IQ option, you go straight to the point. You analyze the chart, draw your structure, market structure, support or resistance, identify the zone or resistance, then you place your trade, you go straight to the point. But in some other platform, you will see something like so many graphical tools. You'll be seeing the rectangle, you see everything, just like the way you make use of the trading view or MetaTrader
Yeah.
4. Why is
Yeah.
some other platform the timing is the problem? Okay, I've used Cotex. You cannot trade 1 minute Cotex the same way you trade IQ option. In IQ option,
Hmm.
you trade 1 minute. You can trade 1 minute expiry time, also the 1 minute trade. Okay, but you just have
Yes.
to trade, find a good perfect time to trade or perfect trade, perfect market to trade on. So the timing is quite different. The one of Cotex is quite different from IQ option. Okay, so because sometimes, let me show you one thing. Because sometimes when I'm trading, if I expect to go with if I expect to go with buyers on this candle, buyers candle is the green candle. If I expect to go with buyers on this
Yeah.
candle, okay, the candle might be forming in the
Mm-hmm.
next 1 minute. So which means that I can still place my trade even though I expect the price to reject or the price to drop before I place my trade. I can still open a trade even if the price is going up or if the price is going down within that range of 1 minute. But in some other platform, even though when you enter the 1 minute, the market will still be reading. So your 1 minute must be complete.
Wow.
Even though the next candle is going to go against you, your 1 minute should be complete. Okay? So that is why
Okay.
I like using IQ option. If I trade here, if I enter the trade, let's say, okay, Now you see that there is it.
Yes, sir.
Let me check it. Okay. Now you see the purchase time, which is 15 seconds for this candle to close in the
Yes,
next
sir.
30 seconds. Okay. So if I should open trade
Yes,
now,
sir.
I open trade, which means that the market is reading, and the candle, once this candle close, that is when my trade will also close. But in Cotex or some other platform, your 1 minute will
It
still be
must be
reading
1 minute.
the time you enter the trade added to the next candle. If the next candle is going to be red, your 1 minute will still be reading, okay, on the next candle. And if the candle now close as red on the next candle, well, you might actually, that means you have
Lose
already
your trade.
lost the trade. Okay. So what I'm saying is that as the time is 26 or 25 or 24 seconds for this candle to close, this running candle, if I open this trade now,
Mm.
if I go with sellers now, which means that once this candle close, that is when my trade also close, which is I'm going to take trade. That means um, my prediction is correct. My prediction is correct
Mm.
because I expect sellers to enter. But if this candle close, then my trade also will close. Then I make profit. So the next candle that is going to form is not my problem. But in Cotex, as you enter that same time, the candle next candle that is forming will complete your 1 minute trade. Okay, so that is the reason why I like to use IQ option, um IQ option on than any other trading platform. Okay, so that is
Yes, sir.
why I like use, because IQ option is very simple and cheap. You don't need so many tools to start analyzing the market. All you can use trend line, horizontal line, vertical line, or Fibonacci lines. But some other platform they list out all the graphical tools, rectangle, square, triangle, so many things. So why should I be using them for? Okay, so that is the reason why I like using IQ option. Then the next thing that make IQ option to be like other trading is that you can use a 1 minute candle, then your expiry time can be 3 or 4 or 5 minute expiry time. So let's continue.
Mm. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
So can you really make money with binary option? For this reason, most investors often question whether it is possible to really make money trading binary option. The short answer is yes, but the long answer is that it requires hard work, commitment, and dedication to consistently churn out profit from option market. Okay, can you really make money in binary option with binary option? Yes, you can make money, but you have to work hard, commitment, and dedication. Okay, dedication, which means that always find the reason why market reverse. Okay, if you can predict, if you know that the buyers discount is going to form green here, that means you have already won this trade. Okay, if you know that the next candle is going to form red, you have already won the trade. So what I'm trying to say is that I have already analyzed the market. I've already found out why this candle form green, why this candle form red, why this candle form green, why this candle gap up, why this candle got rejection. After this candle,
Mm.
why this candle was red. After this red candle, why this candle was red. After this red candle, why this candle was green. Because I've make I've analyzed the market in such a way that anytime I'm trading, I always come across something like that. Like um, the reason why this candlestick form green is that the price
This level.
has break this support level.
Yes,
When I'm
sir.
talking about support, a green candle followed by red. Then the next candle after the red was also green. So many green candle. Okay, the price break the support. The price break the support and
Yes, sir.
end here. When the price breaks support, where is the next support level? The next support level is right here.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Reason why I say the next support level is right here because after this green candle, there was a gap. You can see the gap.
Psychological
This
level.
gap
Yes, sir.
indicates some price action here. That okay,
Hmm.
the price is this is OTC market. So many gap in the market. It indicates that the market there's a high latency in the market. A quick buy, a quick buy, but they become weak. So you can see anytime the candle close below the line, buyer centered. Remember, when I draw the line, I draw it at the neck of this line. So if you want to draw support or resistance using one line, look at now. We have green candle followed by red. Always place your line at the lowest one. Don't place your line here. Okay?
Okay.
Don't place your line here. So place your line at the lowest one. Here we have green, we have red. So if you want to draw the line, put it here. Okay? And here we have red, we have green. So if you want to draw the line, put it here.
Yes, sir.
Okay? Here we have green, we have red. If you want to draw the line, put it here. That is your resistance. Put it here. Okay. So what I'm trying to say is that I've already know that the market is going to reverse because when we see this gap indicate that there's a quick buy in the market. So buyers occupy this gap. Anytime the price come to that zone, we expected the buyers to enter because this gap include you know the reason why I go with buyers here. You should know because after this
Rejections.
red
Okay.
we have green candle, red green. So I place
Yes,
the
sir.
line at the body of this green candle, not the red. Okay,
Okay,
at the
sir.
body of this green candle. So buyers enter from here. Then also we have so many bullish candle here. The last bullish candle formed this kind of pattern, indicating that market supposed
Hmm.
to go down, but there was a quick buy in the market. So buyers buy the market. So this gap is filled with buyers. So when the price comes
Yes, sir.
inside the zone, buyer centered. Same thing here, buyer centered. Now, remember when I said always place the line at the body of the green candle, the lowest one. Like we have red, we have green. So place the line here. When this candle close, it close exactly at the line. Then the next candle
Yes, sir.
gap up. You can see there's a little gap. If the next candle open inside, we are expecting sellers to enter again, or we are expecting buyers to enter again from here. But there's a gap up. That indicates that going to be another one red candle before buyers enter. So all this is my commitment. I've already know how the market behave. Okay, that is why I was able to predict the market. Okay, so if you can analyze the market like this, then predict this kind of movement, you can see you make a profit. So it is very possible that you can make profit in binary option. Yes, you can make profit in binary option. You can see this is a level. Okay, after this level,
So,
we have
but
green.
it's still going. Yes, sir.
So I place the line at the body of this green. After this red, we have green. I place the line in the body of this green. That is my that is support. Now that support should become a resistance because you can see this candle got rejected from that level. Then the next candle open below. The next candle open below, which means that buyers has to enter again. When buyers entered, it closed inside the zone.
Yes.
It closed inside the zone. Okay, so as the candle closed inside the zone, there is also a gap down. If this gap down open below this line, buyers might still enter again. That's why you see so many times when candle close inside zone, the candle still form a green candle. It depends on the open and close of the price. If there's a gap down below this line, buyer might still enter again to fill the gap. Okay, but the gap down occur and the price is still inside the zone. So the opening price is still inside the zone. The opening price can either be a green open price or red open price. But in this situation here, it should be a red opening price. You can see that is why
Yes, sir.
sellers entered. Okay. Now you can see we have already made profit here. So that is how you trade. Always pay attention to the trade to the opening and closing of the price. Okay.
Mm.
But that is not what we are going to do. That is not the strategy. Well, it's still part of the strategy. I'm going to show you different ways to analyze the market. But today, I just want to talk about the reason why you should trade binary option. Okay, so you can make profit, you can make money with binary option as long you can able you can work hard and committed. Okay, spend time analyzing the market. Spend time finding out the reason why market reverse. Spend time finding out different pattern the market will respect. Spend time finding out the zone, the type of zone, resistance, support, supply, demand, how the market is going to respect them. What is the pattern that form that the market reverse? Okay, spend time to study the condition, the emotion of traders in the market. Okay, so that is what you need to make money in binary option. So the next one which I want to discuss is a binary option gambling. Well, why some people use them as a form of gambling. This contrast this contract can be used in other ways as well, such as hedging. Okay, the cost of a contract will vary depending on where the market price is relative to the strike price. So when buying a binary, the goal is for the asset to close above the strike price. Okay,
Yes, sir.
same thing when you are selling, you're expecting the price to close below the strike price. Okay, so when you're talking about gambling, a lot of people take binary option as a gambling because they gamble a lot. You lost this trade. Instead of you to stop trading, you keep trading until you end up blowing the account. For instance, you have $10 in your account. You're trading and you are making profit in it. You're happy about it. Then unfortunately, you just start to lose trade. Instead of using the fixed amount to trade it, you now increase the amount thinking you're going to recover the losses. That is gambling. That is gambling. When you lose, accept the loss, leave the market, come back later, find out the reason why you lost this trade so that anytime you trade again, you will not make that mistake. Okay, so that is what binary option is all about. The next one which I want to discuss is the which is better, binary option or forex. A lot of people have been asking me, did I even trade forex? Yes, I trade forex. In fact, I've taken a trade. I've taken a trade since yesterday. Okay. Um, Yesterday when I trade, I started from though I'm going to share the video on YouTube. I started from $10. So I was able to make about 30 something dollar. Okay, I withdraw because I needed the money. I needed some money, so I started again with $10. I think now my profit is about $28. I'm going to show you the trade. Um, okay, let's not go there. I wanted to show you the trade I'm trading on forex. Well, I do
Okay,
trade
sir.
forex. I trade forex. Okay, okay. I ask
Yes, sir.
which one is better, binary option or forex? Well, because trading in binary option offer fixed risks and fixed reward, so it is well suited for the risk averse trader. So forex may at times provide higher return, but is more complex and is undertaken with more risk than binary option. So with a lot of practice and
Mm.
a little luck, forex trading can be lucrative and exciting. Yes, in fact,
Yes, sir.
forex trading is very easy. It's very easy. Binary option also is very easy. Both of them are very easy. Where I can't define which one is good, which one is bad. But according to how you can operate on both of them, maybe the binary option is that binary option offer you a risk and fixed reward. What I'm trying to say is that you trade you trade a $10, a $5, you can the market can and then you won the trade, you can be rewarded with let's say, because not all the time the market will be 100%, let's say about 89%, that is a $4. So that means that your account has increased from $5 to $9 at least. Okay, in just a single,
Yes, sir.
just let's say you are using 1 minute chart candlestick, so in just 1 minute to make that $4. But in forex, before you can make $4, it depends on how the market move. The market can drastically move immediately, increase your profit. Okay, but it can slow, it can take some time. Imagine me trading a $10 account, starting using a 0.01 as my lot size. It take for me just to make profit $30 today, just today $30, from $10 to $30 using the 0.01 as a lot size. You can see, but in binary, if I want to trade more, I will have make a lot of profits. At least I will make about $50, 500, 1,000,
Mm.
100, so many just like that. So in binary option, but the more complex is undertaking with more risks than binary option. So with a lot of practice and little luck, forex trading, you can also trade forex. A lot of practice and little luck, you can also trade forex. So if you want to ask the question, which one should you choose? That depends on you. So that is why I cannot leave trading binary and be focused on trading forex, or leave forex and trade focus on trading binary. That's why I'm trading both of them. Today I might trade binary, tomorrow I might trade forex, okay? Or this week I might trade binary, next week I might trade forex. That is how I do it. So I have account in both platform, forex, binary. So I choose anyone which I want to trade with. Okay.
Mhm.
So the answer to that is that which is better, binary option or forex? The answer is that you should find out by yourself. Okay. If you are able to trade perfectly in binary option, well, you should continue using binary option. Or maybe you are still having difficulties in making some profits in binary option, try forex. If you are able to make profits very well in forex, you can choose forex. But if you want to do both, that would take a lot of practice, okay, and a lot of thinking how the market behave in both platform, binary option, like binary option, forex, okay. But they have the same price strike, the same price movement. But how do you trade binary option is quite different from how do you trade forex. So If you have time for forex, you can trade forex. If you have time for binary, you can trade binary. And the next one which I want to discuss is that when trading binary option, you invest in whether an asset of such as a commodity, a stock, or a currency will increase or decrease in value during a fixed time period. So the trader is shown the value of their earnings upfront. In other words, you know exactly how much profit you will make on your investment should your prediction be correct when you're making or when making your trade. If your prediction is wrong, however, you lose 100%. That's what I said. You lose 100%. But if you make profit, sometimes you can win 100% in binary option. But I think since 2001, I stopped seeing 100% 100% profit rate on binary option. Okay, I stopped seeing that. Before you can see 100%, even OTC market you can see 100%, but now there's nothing like 100%. Starting from 93, 96, 80 something, 84, 85, 86. Okay,
Mm.
so but if you lose 100% of your initial investment. So there's no variability in this form of trading since you can only decide whether an asset value will go up or down, but not by how much. Okay. One, profit or losses are established upfront. Two, the expiry time for a trade is selected upfront. Three, a diverse range of binary options across many industries are available for trade. Then four, binary option can only be traded during normal trading hours. Then five, no potential for leverage. Okay, but when we talk about forex trading is a global platform where currency is exchanged. It is the world's largest marketplace by far, with more than USD 5 trillion or $5 trillion being traded daily. So trading takes place in pairs, and a trader compares the value of difference between the currency, such as the US dollar and euro. So forex trading has high variability. On top of deciding which is the direction of the currency will move, trader must also predict how high or low it will go. Okay. One, no limit on profit or loss, although limit stops loss order can be enacted. No limit on profit or your loss. But second, there are no set expiry time for forex trade. You can't set your expiry time on forex trade. Okay. Forex is less diverse than trading binary option. Okay. Forex can be made 24/5, which is 24 hours and 5 days. You can trade forex 24 hours and 5 days. Then the potential for high degree of leverage exists. Okay. So these are the difference between trading binary option or forex. So now you should now choose which one you should try uh, to be good at. Do you want to go with forex or do you want to go with binary? In forex, you will learn so many things. In binary option, you also learn so many things. In binary option, what I will teach you most in binary option is that you will learn how to analyze um, the candlestick behavior, psychology. Also, you learn some logical way of predicting next candlestick. Also, you will learn how to analyze the key level, support or resistance. But in forex, you learn also how to analyze candlestick. You learn how to analyze the trend. You learn how to analyze the pattern, different pattern. You learn how to analyze the key level. Okay, you learn so many things. You learn so many things in forex. Okay, so I leave it to you that you should go and choose which one you want to trade with, or you can trade with both. Choose binary option, choose forex. Trade both binary option or forex. Okay, I want to see what I can do here. Okay, let's say you want to analyze the market here. You see the market is moving up, then the price drop, which means that all our attention should focus on the level here because this is where the price is currently at now. Okay, all our attention should focus here. Okay, also we have this bullish movement. So the price is now here, all our attention should focus here, and you can see, analyze what is happening here. We have a green candle, reject, sellers entered. So all we have to do is draw a line. Next candle form green and sellers entered. So after this green candle, the next candle form red. So which means that the level where sellers usually enter the market, the zone the sellers usually enter the market is right here. So after this green candle, we have a rejection. Here also you can see the line. The candle also rejects, the sellers entered. When sellers entered from here. So anytime the price is in between the zone, sellers will definitely enter. Let's check to the left side. If the price cross this line, sellers will enter. Okay, we have already see rejection, and this time you see the candle got close inside the zone. You cross this line, sellers entered. Then candle next candle again cross the line, sellers entered. But this time, the price crossed the line, no sign of sellers here, which means that there wasn't any sign of seller because of this strong candle. The price has break the level. So, which means there's nothing you can do about breakout. So, all you have to do is wait for the price to come down here, then place your trade. Because this time, there was no sign of sellers, means that buyers is going to enter on the next candle. So, wait for the price to drop, come back to this zone where there's no sign of sellers, the buyers have taken over, then you place call. So that is how you trade on level. Let's check another example, then we'll stop for today. Okay, this is the current price
Yes,
movement.
sir.
So let's analyze what happened here. Okay, this is a level here. Buyers enter from this level. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to draw the line from here. Then we see that sellers are entering the market, sellers are coming down, and this candle close exactly inside the zone, but the next candle gap up, so sellers entered, which means that the sellers area is definitely here. Sorry, buyers area from here to here is buyers area. So all you have to do is wait for the price to cross. Okay, I think my network went off, so let me complete the this before we stop for today. Okay, you can see when buyers enter here, then this candle come again, close exactly at the level, but there's no rejection. So the next candle gap up, then form a red. Then after that, we have a green candle. So which means that my second line will be from here. So anytime the price leave this area, this is what I mean. Anytime the price leave this zone, then come back, we're expecting buyer's entry. Let's see. Now we see that buyers are now leaving the level. Then this candle close. So the next candle open here, then form green candle. We also see rejections and also see a rejection and a green candle. Now the market has moved away from the level, from the zone. Okay, that the market is going down. And finally, we can see this candle close here. You can see after this candle close inside or below this line, a bias entered, but it's not a strong bias entry. Okay, so that is how you analyze the market. So let me stop for today. Then tomorrow we're going to continue. I'm going to show you some of the different ways to analyze the market, analyze candlestick. Okay, how to analyze candlestick. That's what we're going to discuss tomorrow. Okay, see you tomorrow also by 8:30 p.m.